Hey guys, welcome back to the kitchen. Today, TJ and I are gonna be making rasta pasta. So in this bowl here, I have some chicken breast, boneless, skinless, that's been seasoned with a little bit of spicy jerk marinade, a little black pepper, garlic powder, and some all-purpose seasoning. We have the oven to 350. We're gonna bake those for about 15 to 20 minutes. So TJ's gonna get those in the oven. I have the pasta over here already cooking on al dente. I'm getting ready and this is a large batch we're making, so just ignore the fact that it's such a large batch. I like to make casseroles and pasta dishes, creamy pasta dishes, because they are great for leftover. They are great for freezing. So you know, if you're a busy mom, casseroles and creamy pasta dishes, I recommend to add those to your meal prep, or to make those a lot, because you can always freeze them for a week or so, you know. Okay, so get those in the oven, TJ, please. And like I say, about 15 to 20 minutes we're gonna bake those, and I know you're an adult, but I think I'd rather do this because it's big, okay? Turn the burner off for me, please. And of course you gotta run cold water on the pasta so it starts cooking. So let me show you guys just a little bit more of the ingredients. I don't like using heavy cream because my belly don't like it. So I'm going to be using coconut milk, make it more authentic Jamaican anyway. So I'm going to be using coconut milk. That's one of the other ingredients. I have a bunch of vegetables cut up over here: onion, garlic, bell peppers, tomatoes. And I'm also going to be using some shredded Parmesan cheese and Fiesta 3 blend cheese. So that's some of the other ingredients. So I will see you guys back shortly. Okay guys, so our chicken is done. I'm pretty much gonna just sit them here to cool off just for a couple of minutes so that I can cut them up in small pieces. And I know you saw TJ put all that chicken in the oven. I decided I didn't need all of that, and it was just gonna make it take a longer time to bake. So I took 2 out. I'm still gonna bake these. I can have them to put in the fridge for someone to use for sandwich, salad, whatever. Sometimes that's just what cooking does. You gotta get creative. Anyway, I seem to have lost my help. What I was doing was teaching, because I love to teach others how to cook. I've had several requests on social media to teach wives, daughters, whatever, how to cook. And so that's something I'm working on. Anyway, I'm going to dice these. In the meantime, I have the same pot I made the pasta in heating up over here. A little over medium-high heat. There's no specialty to how you cut the chicken. It's pretty much how you want to. Okay, to the pot I'm gonna add a little bit more. I didn't show you, I also have a pan of shrimp seasoned up with the jerk marinade, a little black pepper, a little all-purpose seasoning, and a little garlic powder. Not much. Don't want to overpower anything. I'm going to add a little bit of the coconut oil to the pot. Really? God, I love the smell of coconut, real coconut oil. When you're cooking with real coconut oil, oh, I love the smell of that. The fragrance is just delightful. It just open up all your senses, I tell you. Jade, can you hear me? Okay, it's time to saute some vegetables. Let me first add the onions and the garlic. Oh wow. Guys, I have made a boo-boo. Oh my goodness, how did I manage to do this? I have made such a boo-boo. I guess this is why when you have a headache, you need to take your butt and take some medicine and let everybody and go lay down and let everybody take care of themselves. Because I just made a huge boo-boo. And yes, I'm going to blame it on this headache I've had all day. So now I have to go back and add a little bit more of the coconut oil in here. I feel so crunchy right now. Oh my goodness, so crunchy. But that's okay. It's nothing too big that can be fixed. Thank goodness. Okay, so what we're gonna do instead is add these shrimp in here and brown them for a bit. Again, cook them just for 2 minutes. Take them out. A little bit more coconut oil. And let's get back to sauteing these vegetables. Piece of onion peel sits in there. Oh, you should smell the garlic and the coconut oil. It smells delightful. Let's get the bell peppers and the tomatoes. And also, because I am not using heavy cream in this, I'm going to use a little bit of all-purpose flour to help give it that silky creaminess, even though I'm adding cheese. Bless you. I'm going to add the chicken back in here. The bowl I seasoned the chicken in. I don't like to waste anything. So to help make sure it's spicy enough, because I didn't use a lot of jerk marinade. smell, y'all. Incorporating all of this. I have a half a cup of whole milk here. Oh, I have to run the chicken in here. Okay. Some Parmesan cheese. Like I said, this is a large batch. You can always cut it in half. Or just do a large batch and, like I say, freeze it. Save yourself some time. I have some, let me start adding the coconut milk in. I don't know why this one open. Make some more coconut milk tomorrow. Jay? Yes? What kind of homework you doing, sweetie? That's why you're sighing so much? Huh? That's why you're sighing so much? I'm gonna add a little bit of the Fiesta cheese. Huh? Do you have to take that class next year? What? Hope, do you have to take it next year? You mean next semester? Oh, next semester? You don't? I just meant for you to take 9th grade. I thought you were going to take it all of 9th grade. You know what I'm saying? You don't. Okay, so then, and after 9th grade, you don't have to anymore? No, it's just a graduation requirement. Oh.
Oh, you know they told me that a foreign language is a graduation requirement, but it's not. It's a requirement if you want to go to university.
I remember Haiti struggled with that a little bit.
Yeah, she didn't need it to graduate. They really wanted us.
I cooked 2 boxes of pasta. I may not even eat both. Let's see. I know these little kids eat a lot, but probably I can save some of the pasta to make something more simple for Troy with the remaining chicken in the oven. Let's see. Just a little bit more cheese. The kids would prefer a little more cheese. You.
Oh my god.
What?
Nothing.
It's stressing you, baby?
Christmas is in 6 days.
I know, right? When did that happen? Where did that put, man? That means Amora's birthday's in 6 days.
What?
Amora's birthday's Christmas Day. You forgot?
Yeah.
I want to taste if I need salt, but I don't want to. I'm so not a big fan of all this cheesy, creamy stuff. This is not my cup of tea.
Okay, I can hear you.
Yep, could use a little salt. You said you can hear me?
I just said I can hear you.
Sorry, I thought you said you can. Let me put the shrimp in here also. Jerk. This is done. So let's just finish it up in here. Oops. Yummy. Maybe let you see that a little bit. It doesn't look like you're seeing it well enough, so go. Jerk chicken and shrimp. Creamy rasta pasta. Guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. From my kitchen to yours. And from my family to yours. Thank you. God bless. And let me have a little bit of this just for you. Oh my God. Guys, the coconut milk and the coconut oil makes all the difference. Thank you so much for watching. God bless, and you have a wonderful day. Bye.